Says here to the left, that's 10, right? Okay, I think that's all the tire, that rock that will give you a flat tire. That good.
So I crashed a drone into who know who's UTV, but they were cool. I didn't hurt anybody. Very dangerous. But I just wanted to put this little video up to ask you guys if you wanted me to keep doing them. There's a lot of trips where all I get is little snippets because I didn't get enough for a full review or a full video. So let me know in the comments. I'll put links to Trick Raptor in case you guys want to follow him because he organizes these runs. And until next time, keep finding new trails, keep hanging out with cool people, and of course, keep it dirty.